The Food Service Exchange presents.
Welcome, I'm Matt, an employee here at Beverage Air. Over the next several minutes, I'll be walking you through how to properly set up your Beverage Air unit. The unit we are showing today is a WTF-48. Upon arrival, be sure to bring your unit as close as possible to where it will be located at your site. Remove shipping brackets from the bottom of the skid, both on the front and rear of the unit. Next, you will want to remove the unit from the pallet. Make sure to carefully remove all packaging material. Remove all items that are located on the inside of the unit. Now is the time to install your casters. For more information on how to do this, please refer to the caster install video. Make sure to install the bumpers on the rear of the unit. To install the unit's shelves, stick the shelf clip in with the ear in the upright position. Insert and jiggle if needed until it is securely in place. Once all 4 clips are in place, you will want to put the shelves in place, starting with the bottom one. Place the removable backsplash on the 2 pins located on the rear of the top. When the unit is set up, you'll want to plug it in. Please refer to our control video that will show you how to set the desired temperature. If you have any further questions on this process, feel free to contact the Beverage Air Tech Service team at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.